Release the manual switch by turning it all the way clockwise. Make sure the magnet on the left is the shorter one. Move the gate until the magnet triggers the limit sensor. The green light goes on. Make sure the magnet on the right is the taller one. Move the gate until the magnet triggers the limit sensor. The orange light goes on. Lock the manual switch by turning it all the way anti-clockwise. Turn on dip switch 4. Press the 1 button. Rotate the MT knob clockwise to make the gate run faster in the soft start and stop section, anti-clockwise to make it slower. Wait until the gate runs a full travel distance from a magnet to the other. After 2 beeps, the travel distance learning procedure is done.